Okay. We're going old school.
What the fuck is this? Are we in the 80s or something? Let me show you how we do it.
Hey DJ, spin that shit. 1, 2, 3, go. Take a second, lift your hands, unleash the madness inside your head. We're on a mission to never end. Life goes on and it's infinite.
This is really, it's a really good remix.